Hi everyone, I've put together some motions for Hail to the Lord's Anointed. It's kind of a long song, it has a lot of verses, and you may choose to shorten it. I've tried to put together some motions, at least something for every verse to give the kids something to hang on to. There are times too where we're just going to clap through it because some of the words are a little bit complicated. So with that in mind, let's go ahead. I'm going to play the music and we'll get started with the motions. Hail to the Lord's Anointed. This is an L that goes down across your body. And then we'll say, Great David's greater Son, hail in the time appointed, his reign on earth begun, with the idea of God's reign spreading out over the earth. And then that repeats, his reign on earth begun. And then we get to verse 1. He comes to break oppression. We can just clap that part. He comes to break oppression, to set the captives free, like doors opening, to take away transgression and rule in equity. And then we go back to the chorus. Hail to the Lord's Anointed, great David's greater Son. Hail in the time appointed, his reign on earth begun. Going on to verse 2, we're going to clap at the beginning. He comes in comfort speedy to those who suffer wrong, and then to help the poor and needy, sort of like you're putting your arm around someone, and bids the weak be strong. And then the next verse, to give them songs. This is the idea of singing songs for sighing, their darkness turned to light, whose souls condemned and dying were precious in his sight. We go back to the chorus at that point, and then we come back to verse 4. He shall come down like showers upon the fruitful earth. Love, joy, and hope, like flowers, spring in his path to birth. And then the next verse, kings shall fall down and worship, and gold and incense bring. You can act like you're handing over the gold and incense. All nations shall adore him. His praise all people sing. Back to the chorus. Hail to the Lord's Anointed, great David's greater Son. Hail in the time appointed, his reign on earth begun. With that in mind, let's go ahead. I'm going to play the music. And in this version that I have, verse 5, kings shall fall down before him, is left out. I'm not sure why. So we'll be skipping that verse as I go through it, but I'll try to give you a general idea of how the motions work along with the words to the song. So here we go. Hail to the Lord's Anointed, great David's greater Son.
upon the fruitful earth, the joy